Hi there, this is our Maz radial arm drill. It's come out of a government department, really good quality, quite well recognised, and a very simple design but very well built. This one's in immaculate condition. I hate to say it, but it's almost like brand new. It's been really well looked after, and it's in really very good condition. Alright, so we'll start with it from the back. It's got the wee remote coolant system there and pump. I can switch that on. There it is there. I haven't tried any fluid in it, but I assume that that's all working. Power box at the back. There's the light. Yep, that's going on. Main power switch, etc. It's got manual locks on it. Powered up and down, etc. 2-speed motor. The table's good, and this back's good, and the end's good. So with the manual locks, I won't undo this one because it's on a bit of an angle at the moment. This is your lock, your manual lock for your up and down. That's electrically switched, etc. And the lock for this is here, which is basically on your lever for your spindle rotation. So that's working really well. This is your electrical, is isolated out, but it's your manual one for your up and down. So here's your up and down. It's going up, going down. I'll put that lock on. That's all very nice and quiet. The columns are immaculate. So you've got your auto feed down, etc. This one here, this spindle is in very good condition. It feels really good inside. Basically this lever's got a few functions. When you move it up, it locks this, and the other functions that it's got is if I move this, it's got two positions, neutral, brake. So basically in the neutral position, obviously I can turn that, then when it's braked, it's braked, and then the next position is the spindle rotation, and vice versa for the other direction. So that's neutral there, spindle braked, and then going the other direction. Now obviously you can come from the spindle direction into the brake position and it stops quickly, or right through and it just keeps spinning as normal. In regards to the feed, we can, you've got your fast and slow here range, and you can just turn this around to adjust your feeds. It's going through all of the feeds nicely. So there's the wee feed going there. I'll get it going the other way. So there's your feeds engaged, and that's high range. The spindle's going up and down nicely, and I'll engage that feed there. So that feed's engaged, it's going down. I've got it on a very fast speed, and now it's tripped out. So that's the feed. It goes in and out nice and works very nicely. With regards to the speed range, it's got your speed range here and then your high and low here. So I've got it in the blue range, which is the low. So if I put that in neutral, I can turn that around and I'll find you 90. So that's 90 RPM there. Next one will be 140. Next one, 224. Next one will be 355. And 560. And you've been on 900, so we'll take it up to the fast range, and I'll start slow again. it must automatically just give it a wee spin when you are gear changing to help. So that will be 450, 710, 1120, 1800, 28, 4.5 being the top speed. So that's the gear range, the feed range. The quill goes up and down nicely. I don't think there's a lot more to run over there. So there it is, well-known radial arm drill. This one's in very, very good condition. They really have looked after it, and it ticks over very nicely.